Hello everyone. Today's video is based on a very special concept. For this question on your screen, you need to formulate and solve a linear equation in just one variable. But most students take a lot of time solving it and many just give up on the task. So the objective of this lesson is to show you how to solve it in the easiest and fastest way. And I'm going to give you some very smart tips to do so. But before that, grab a pen and paper and do try this question on your own first. And if you have tried, let's discuss. So we need to find out the number of candies that were there in the jar in beginning. Let's suppose there were X candies in the jar. Now to calculate the value of X, we need an equation, right? So to form that equation, we can use the condition given in the question that finally there were 17 candies. We need to know in terms of X what were the final number of candies after A, B and C picked up their lots. Let's do it stepwise. After A picks up and A picks up 1/3 of X minus 4. Minus 4 because he throws 4 candies back into the jar. Remaining candies would be X minus this number, which will be equal to 2/3 of X plus 4. Now just pay attention and think in terms of a pie. If someone picks up 1/3 of a pie, how much is left? 2/3, isn't it? So if A picks up 4 less than 1/3, the remaining number has to be 4 more than 2/3. We actually don't need to subtract this number from X to find out the remaining candies. We can directly do it. It's a smart way of calculation that will help us in further steps. Now, B picks up 3 less than 1/4 of this number. We don't really need to calculate this number for our equation. We just need the remaining number of candies at each step, isn't it? So if someone picked up 1/4 of a pie, how much would be left? The answer is 3/4. If B picked up 3 less than 1/4, how many would be left? 3 more than 3/4 of this number, correct? So 3/4 of this number plus 3 is equal to, you simplify it and get X by 2 plus 6 as the remaining number of candies after A and B have picked up their shares. Just one more step. We need to know the candies in the jar after C picks up his share. And C picks up 2 less than half. So remaining would be 2 more than half of this number. Half of this number plus 2 is equal to 1 by 4x plus 5. Trust me guys, getting this final remaining number of candies in terms of X is the most difficult and tiring part of this question. It's given in the question that this number is equal to 17. So, our equation looks like this. Solving it is the easier part. We first transfer 5 to the right hand side. Right hand side is now equal to 12. And next we multiply the right hand side by 4. So X is equal to 48. The initial number of candies in the jar were 48. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed solving this maths puzzle. Please like and share this video if you found it useful. Now try out a similar question and post your answers in the comments box below. We'll be happy to receive your feedback on our videos and address your doubts and queries. Take care and happy learning.